getting you some breaking news coming in at top of this hour. Republic continues to get you inside details of police into the Republic Day conspiracy probe. Now, the Delhi police has sought more details from Zoom, Google and Twitter on the toolkit, including details of ID used to upload the toolkit, details of Twitter handles and the Zoom meeting hosted by the PJF. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Atul, who is getting us this latest breaking update. Atul, we have been sharing and Republic has been getting you inside details of the police probe into the Republic Day conspiracy. Take us through the queries that have now been asked by the Delhi police to Zoom, Google and Twitter.
Well, the Delhi police has written a mail to Zoom, Google and Twitter. They first had written to Zoom regarding the video meeting that was held amongst the 70 persons which was the part of conspiracy as per by the Delhi police. Nikita Jacob was in the meeting, Disha Ravi was in the meeting, Mo Dhaliwal and his friend Puneet Kaur, who lives in Canada, was also in the meeting. So first, they had written to Zoom regarding this video. They wanted the whole video, which is said to be of 2 hours. Then they have written to Google regarding the toolkit. They have sent. They have particularly mentioned that which was the first email ID which was used to send this toolkit and who is handling this. They want to know the name of the person who was actually involved in sending the toolkit and who was the first guy. And after that, they have written to the Twitter also regarding the bots and the other things. And they also want to know how many verified accounts were involved in sharing the toolkit and who were the other persons. They also want to know the bots which were using the toolkits and using the hashtag to create such kinds of atmosphere in the national capital. So no doubt the Delhi police is, just want to add up more evidences. When they will go to the court, they will need all these kind of things to prove their prosecution case. And that is why they have written to Zoom, Google and the Twitter. Main important will be the Zoom meeting, because in that meeting will be more clear that what they were getting instruction from the Mo Dhaliwal. Remember, Mo Dhaliwal is based in Canada and his friend Puneet Kaur, and she is also living in Canada. She knew that Nikita Jacob has contact with Disha Ravi and Disha Ravi has contact with Greta. Mo Dhaliwal wanted some international celebrity to be used, and that is why he had a word with Nikita Kaur. He had a word with Nikita Jacob, and he also had a word with Puneet. So Mo Dhaliwal was convinced by Puneet Kaur that Disha Ravi knew Greta Jacob, and if she will be roped in, Greta can be used. But now the Delhi police has come to know that Greta was kept in the dark. She was told that this is case of only stubble burning, and that is why they want to, they want her to tweet regarding the toolkit and other things. So what now Delhi police is saying that even Greta is a victim of them. But as of now, we can say that this is nothing on the paper. This is just what the Delhi police has got in the further probe. Earlier, she was a part of conspiracy, and now the Delhi police says that she is becoming a victim of this gang. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Atul, for getting us those latest details and breaking inputs coming in and inside details of the police into the Republic Day conspiracy probe.